say music is food for thought to feed the soul, and I hope you guys enjoyed quality music by Bhadmayors featuring the one and only Kojo Black with Lifestyle. And they are here in the building, and we are going to have a great conversation with them. Hi, guys. You're welcome to MX Live.
Thank you, bro.
Bro, booza. Charlie, it's been a while. You were here last year, and finally you are here once again. Nice having you on the show.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, Charlie, the year is still fresh. The year is still new. How are things going on?
Everything is going great, bro.
Everything is going great. Okay.
This year we drop on
I know, we're going to get into it, Charlie. So you relax, my brother. We'll get into it, so don't relax, we'll get to it.
Easy.
So how did everything, music started for you, basically? How did music start for you guys?
So like my brother and I used to like always write like, songs, but we give it out to people to.
So you guys were songwriters?
Yeah, we used to write.
Okay, so can you mention a few artists like you have written music for?
Just like my friend is he's trying to like do music, and he wants me to help him out. Be like, oh bro, I wrote this, can you help me out with it?
Okay.
We just sit down with him. We just do it like
that means you have written for a lot of artists.
We're just like loving the music, the art.
Okay. Last year you guys dropped one of the biggest songs, and it was doing extremely well on digital platforms, and it helped you guys gain a broader audience. How impactful has it been financially for you guys?
I mean, everything is great.
That means you guys have really made a lot of money out of it.
We can't put it out like that.
Everything.
But is it okay? Because the song was very
good.
big.
It
was very big.
It's a very big record.
Now you're in a comfortable lead.
You're in a comfortable lead. I love that. Okay, so let's get into after you dropped the song, couple months, you dropped Remix featuring UK music group NSG. They do Afro swing, Afro beats. Can you tell us about the collaboration? Can you guys spill the tea?
Okay.
How did it happen?
So it was something that we manifested, like
really. I believe in it.
Aloji just said it like, oh, if we like get energy on this record, it's going to be big. Like, so like just like in some weeks time, and like
they reach out to you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so but how did it happen?
So we were at my manager's house. So we did a OGD call. Video call. It was really
vibing to the song.
Vibing with the song. And we interacted with him. So after that, just some few minutes, he sends the verse, and we were going crazy.
You guys were going crazy. Okay, that's pretty cool. But are you guys done with school now?
Nah, we want to like focus on the dream.
Yeah. Was it hard balancing schooling and making music?
Yeah,
it was a bit hard.
Like sometimes you have class, but then there's a show.
So
you have to like.
And you guys want to make money, so you have to leave class and just make the money. Okay.
We're also passionate about it.
So. Okay. But later on, you guys want to further education?
Oh yeah. When the time reaches.
Okay, right now you guys are fixated on the music, so the focus is on the music. Okay, so I know you guys are out with a new project titled The Good, the Bad, the Terrible. I know it's a testament of your hustle and consistency, the highs, the lows. How should I put it? What word should I even use for it? The gritty of realities you guys face. How did you guys wanted to put that experience into that body of work?
We were just recording, cause like it's something that we've been through. So like anytime we are making music, like we did a studio there, we just did give out what they want inside to the mic. Like we just did. It has to be
spiritual.
Yeah.
But was the challenging tough for you? Because when I just listened to the project and the title and everything, it just tells me how passionate you guys are. And as I told you, the gritty realities you guys are facing, like the hustle, the consistency, the perseverance, how persistent you guys are make quality music or to chase your dreams. That's what I feel on the project. And you're talking about young love, everything, like reflecting. It's like looking in the mirror and reflecting on yourself. Actually, that's how I felt. Yeah, that's how I felt. Yeah. So how can you explain further to us?
It was just life experience.
Okay.
And we're just, you know,
your life experience. Okay.
Because like definitely we are twins, but like, you know, we live
individually. Everybody has what
so
they
like
go
we
through.
just put it together and like make the art.
Okay.
So like he faced heartbreaks, I also faced
heartbreaks.
like,
so who broke your heart, my brother? Oh, that one you can say.
Wow.
Okay. But was it how let me say, okay, how many producers worked on this body of work?
So
Guilty Beats, Ugly Beats, Ugly and Tough.
Okay.
Two Shoes,
Skilly Beats, and I think GHS Beats. Yeah.
GHS Beats.
Yeah, he worked on Free My Mind.
Okay.
And the remix is on the EP.
Okay. So how many songs is on the EP?
9
songs.
Yeah, 9 songs on the EP.
Okay.
No Concern, 14. Yeah, Lifestyle. Yeah.
Okay. So can you? Okay. So, wow, 9 songs. Free My Mind with Alogy featuring NSG. You know, I actually love that song because NSG put a little bit, or they put a spin of UK vibe on the song. And it actually complemented what you guys are talking about. I actually love that song. So, 9-track EP, 14 Friends featuring Alogy. Alogy is a long-time collaborator that you guys have been working with. Yeah, I know the last interview was here with you guys. Yeah, so Alogy and No Concern, Lifestyle featuring Kojo Black with Alogy. Let's talk about Lifestyle featuring Kojo Black. Can you run us through the creative process making that record?
So I wrote like some of the lyrics home, and I took it to the studio. So when I went to the studio, we did a plus, Ugly and Tough. Everybody did the studio inside. So we just did play a beats with each other.
So Alogy had this vibe. So it was a long time vibe, but how the beat was going, just picked with it. So we had to record with Alogy, Kojo Black.
But was Kojo Black in the studio with you guys?
Yeah, all day like full class.
Then the vibe was serious. It was different. It was different.
Very crazy.
So, what's your favorite song on the project?
My favorite song is 14.
14. That's your favorite. Why 14?
Because it talks about the journey.
The journey.
Yeah, you know how like stuff were and how it made us strong.
Okay. What about you? Favorite song?
No Concern.
Okay. But do you guys feel like naturally your sound is evolving and people are actually gravitating to it?
Yeah, it will catch you.
Okay. So which artists are you guys look up to or inspire you to evolve your sound?
Look out to I listen to Mali, I listen to Black Sherif, I listen to a lot of artists.
Same like
we listen to music. It's just music.
We don't have a particular artist.
It's just music. What's good is what we listen.
Okay. So which Afrobeat artist you guys would love to collaborate with? If the opportunity comes, and right now, Bhadmayors, which artist do you love to collaborate with?
Afrobeat.
I'll say Davido. Yeah,
Davido.
Yeah.
Davido. You guys would love to work with him.
I love to work with Kiddy too.
Kiddy.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that would be pure magic if you guys get to work with Kiddy. The kind of music you guys are doing and the kind of sound Kiddy too is doing. I think sonically is going to be dope. It's going to be dope. There's one thing I want to ask. So what do you think can break this deal?
Break.
Yeah, can separate you guys.
There's nothing like break.
He come still.
So where money or woman come?
Forget.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
We've psyched our mind. Nah.
You have psyched your mind that nothing can tear you guys apart.
It's not going to happen.
Okay, that's pretty cool. So right now the project is out. It's on all streaming platforms, so people can go out and.
Yeah, it's on all stores, like everywhere. The good, the bad, the terrible.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
There's a lot there to
So what are
pay
some?
attention to that EP.
Yeah, that sound is crazy. It's a new sound.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So how long did it take you guys to record the project?
like 5 months.
5 months.
Yeah, we're just recording, like just putting our hard work, like live experiences, what we are going through. We're just recording back to back.
Okay. That means.
Well, it was more than 9 songs we recorded throughout the 5 months.
All right.
Yeah.
But they paid.
So was there any challenges selecting the song, or because of sonically how you wanted it to sound, or based on the storytelling you just have to cut it to the song?
When we were recording the songs, it was just in order with the EP.
Yeah, like it was just natural, like it happened
really?
naturally.
Yeah.
Like,
So was it based on management decision to cut it to 9?
yeah.
Okay.
It's an EP. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool. So 9 songs. That means there are a couple more songs we guys really watch out for.
Oh yeah, like there's more, like more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are some of the challenges recording the project? Some of the challenges you faced recording the project.
Sometimes we have to visit a song to
Get like the actual, like if there's no like fixing here, we have to like put it here, like.
I have to
just
take time on a song. Like it's not like a challenge though, but like like when we were recording, it was just like we recorded a song for like a week over. Then you have to go back to the song again. Like getting the whole idea and everything is kind of complicated.
Okay. So, how many videos do you guys plan to shoot for this project? I know there are 2 videos out already. How many videos do you guys plan to shoot?
I can't tell right now, but like
every song is going to have a video.
Okay. Every song is going to have a video.
Yeah.
Every song is going to have a video. Or you are still deciding on
every song.
Every song is. That means the whole of this year, you guys are just basically promoting the good, the bad, the terrible.
Yeah.
Let's see, something can come across.
Something can come across. Okay. So have you guys submitted your song for TGMA?
Yeah,
for sure. Yeah.
Okay. So which category do you guys want to be nominated?
I mean, I don't know. Maybe
I don't know, like
I'll just see it somewhere.
But as you said, words of affirmation is very important.
All right.
Best group of the year.
Best group of the year.
Best group of the year. And
okay.
the best song of the year. Afrobeat song of the year.
Okay, I think best group of the year has been taken out. Best group of the year has been taken out.
I saw something that is back or something.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Apart from that, don't you guys want to be nominated for new artist of the year or
for
something?
sure, like it happened, I go happen.
That means you guys don't believe that you can be nominated for that.
I believe in everything I do.
Okay.
Yeah, we believe in everything we do. Like
okay,
everything. We are determined.
Yeah.
We
Because
believe in everything we do.
I know the song is a banger. For you to even get NSG from UK to be on the song is something big you guys should really appreciate, because the song was really, really big out there. So I feel like it's something you guys should actually submit. If you actually submitted the song, it's best. So I want you guys to submit the song. I mean, Bhadmayors, you are one of the most talented duo we have in the country. So I think you guys have to continue to push the music. So TGMA, and what else? Are you planning to host your own show or something?
It will happen. You see it
like the energies. That was like you guys. You have. You know what? You have the vibe, you have everything.
But
sometimes you guys
listen.
are being a bit reluctant.
Nah, like every time and how the mood is, like today I choose to be like this, tomorrow I choose to be like.
No, but I think that one depends on management. There has to be plan for you guys that, okay, maybe right now the project is dropped, you are promoting the project. After the project, maybe you have to do something for your fans. Maybe there are a lot of shows
you
guys will love to
yeah,
listen.
definitely there will be.
Definitely there will be listening though.
Yeah, definitely there will be. There's a lot of plans like ahead.
Okay. So how's your relation with other artists?
No, it's cool.
In the music space?
Yeah, logged in.
Yeah, really logged in. So can you mention some of the artists
Like
you guys are really cool
RDJ,
with?
Kojo Black, Alogy, yeah.
Okay, that
Ivy
means
Melody,
the new crop of artists you're really you really vibe to.
Yeah.
Okay, so which when I ask you to mention, let me say, top 5 artists you guys are listening to right now, which artists are you going to tell me?
Okay, so Alogy, Kojo Black.
Alogy is your guy, I know, but
Yeah, but
Alogy, Kojo Black. Okay,
Yeah.
mention.
I listen to
RDJ.
Black Sheriff, I listen
Black
to
Sheriff.
RDJ, yeah. Listen to Stoneboy, I listen to everyone.
Okay. So are you guys under any record label or?
Yeah, Soundscope.
Sounds so.
Yeah.
Okay. That's very pretty good. So and how are things going on for you? Like,
I mean,
everything is going
okay, the
great, like-
management and everything is great. Like you are moving with energy. So
okay. So let's talk about your fashion sense. It's very dope. You guys are looking. You guys are dripping. You're looking flashy and everything.
Normally.
Which artists do you look up to when it comes to fashion?
Just do us.
Just do us.
Yeah.
Okay. But which brand you guys would love to work with? As like, let me give you some names. Like Lil Yachty, he's very fashionable, and a lot of brands.
ASAP
Rocky. Okay. That means you guys look up to ASAP Rocky.
Yeah. I do look up to him.
Okay. So, where do you want your music to reach? Which platform do you want your music to get to?
It has. We want this sound to be like an international sound. Yeah,
Okay.
we want to like put Ghana on the map. Like
That means if you want your music to get to the map, that means you have to be very intentional about what you do.
Yeah,
okay.
definitely.
Okay, that means you guys are being intentional about the sound, how you want your sound to be, how you want your looks to be, how visible you guys want to be. Okay, so is there any particular plan for that apart from the music? The music is very good. Your fashion sense is off the hook. Is there any plan to get the music to the masses to get to that level?
Yeah, hard work and determination.
Hard work and determination.
Yeah,
and I think you guys
key.
are doing the hard work already.
Yeah, so like hard work and determination, like that's the key. You pay, like definitely.
Okay.
Yeah,
So next 5
to
years,
pay.
where do you guys want to reach? I've already asked you that.
by next 5 years,
Next 5 years,
we are down selling out O2 shows
Really?
and everything.
But-
BET Awards, Grammy Awards.
Grammys, yeah.
I want to
For
ask
Ghana.
you. I want to ask you a question. Recently, Reggie Rastone went online and he was ranting. He was pouring his heart out that Sarkodie, Stoneboy, Shatawale, Samini can fill those big auditoriums, but they feel like they're too big or they are still going to have that fame and they are not in a rush to fill those capacities. Okay. And Reggie Rastone is someone who is very veteran in the game. He's the grandpapa. He's the originator of hip life. Okay, and his point is heart out that these artists are feeling very reluctant, like it seems they don't want to collaborate to perform on those big capacities. And we see our Nigerian brothers filling the O2, the Madison Square, and everything. Do you guys agree with what Reggie Rastone is saying that all hands on deck, all these artists have to come on board to fill those auditorium?
I mean,
I think
that's what he thinks.
Like I think we should just support each other.
Okay, but don't you feel those big artists need to come on board to feel like, as you're saying, there are a couple of artists you guys mentioned that you're listening to their music, like Alogy, Kojo Black, what's his name? The other guy you guys mentioned.
RDJ.
And maybe there's a big opportunity for you guys to perform at, let me say, O2 Indigo. I think you guys all are going to come together to perform. So I think it's the same thing. Don't you think it's the same thing for these artists to do to come together and perform? Yeah, so I feel like that's a big step for Ghanaians. And one thing is that the Nigerians, someone like Wizkid can put, let me say, Ashake on a show, maybe happening in Madison Square or happening at O2 Arena, and these artists are on to perform, to exhibit what they have. I think Wizkid even did the same. He put Kim Promise on a show for everybody to see the kind of talent we have in Ghana. So I think it's one of the great opportunities we can also tap into come together and do something huge and do something big to make sure our music gets to that level. So right now, the good, the bad, the terrible. Let's get back into it. So, nice songs. All the producers. Which of the songs did they work on for you guys?
Okay, so Guilty Beats worked on Friends, and Guilty Beats worked on Friends, and No Concern was Ugly and Tough.
Okay.
And
14 was Killis Beats.
Lifestyle, Ugly and Tough, Nylon, Two Shoes, and
Perfect
Face Car, Two Shoes. Free My Mind, GHS Beats.
Okay, all right. Yeah. So let's check out the video for Move. We'll be right.
All right.
Okay, guys. So we're about to wrap up. Nice having you guys on the show. So where can we reach out to you guys?
Bhadmayors on all platforms. BHADMAYORS. Yeah, on all platforms.
Okay.
Yeah.
So last words for your fans.
They should just keep supporting. We love them so much.
The good, the bad, the terrible.
It's out on all platforms, and one them like they should go stream out. Make them go stream out.
Guys, you can check out the project from Bhadmayors, the good, the bad, the terrible. It's a beautiful project. So go to all streaming platforms and run the numbers app for them. They're doing incredibly well. Guys, I go by the name Mark Motin, and this is MXLIVE. You can follow us on all social media platforms. MS24GH. You can follow me as well, Mac_Motin, especially on X Mark Motin Arena. Catch you same time, same place. Let's check out the video for Move.